It's astounding. Time keeps going. Madness takes its toll. But watch this closely. That which goes for so long, we are all seen to lose control. I remember playing Pokemon, enjoying those moments when the hive mind would activate and things be coherent. They press start button again. They press start button again. Red just walks into a wall. And then it spins really hard. Take a look in your bag. Let's say that trainer card. Not even Pokédex. That's what drives me insane. They press start button again. They press start button again. It's anarchy. Voting democracy. People are screaming. Not all for one. Still in that damn rocket base with spinning floor panels. Bad delay makes it worse. We've done terrible things. Even in the beginnings, when this stream caught some fame. But then we lost the starter. Having a little forever. They press the start button again. They press the start button again. We all praise the one true fossil, the Helix Almighty. We deposited in the computer already. All these other things, we threw them without heat, knowing that these were the things that we would need. You're crazy sad, all the naysayers, playing with 80,000 trolls and players. Who press the start button again? They press the start button again. Or just walks into a wall. And then it spins really hard. Take a look in your bag. Let's see that trainer card. Not even Pokédex is what drives me insane. They press the start button again. They press the start button again. They press start button again. They press start button again. Red just walks into a wall. And then it spins really hard. Take a look in your bag. Let's see that trainer